Welcome back. It's your boy, Mr. Green Hands. It's the time of spring, and I haven't been down here. I have been busy. I have been doing a lot of different things. So, just gonna give you a quick update. Came down here for the first time, really a full first time, because I have been down here to drop something. But when I came down here, due to not taking care of my garden, because I've been busy, I've lost approximately about 90% of the seeds that I sow early this year. So let me show you. So guys, this is it. I have some kohlrabi still surviving, barely by the looks of it. It's super dry because I have not been down here. Everything in the peppers, dead. Tomatoes, I don't know how they are still surviving. They are hanging in there for dear life. I've got some spinach there that's looking like it's ready to go outside. My beautiful pepper sauvage from my good friend Gina, crispy right now. Not in the way that I would like them, but it is what it is. So literally my ginger, gone. Everything, except for a few things. But I'm grateful that there's a few things that still survive. But let's give you how my garden looks right now. Oh, before I do that, let me show you what I did bring down when the time that I came down here. It's this humongous box. So the plan is, I'm gonna open this box here and use it as a garden bed. Massive size. I think it's about 2 meters long by about 1.5 meters in width. So I'm going to use the wood chip that's been sitting there, some of the banana stuff that I didn't fully finished, and fill it up at the bottom like a culture. What is wrong with my speaking today? Speech is out of my way. That is what I'm going to be planning to do for that aspects of it. But overall, even though I have been missing, my garden has surely shown me love. There's a few bits that need to be pruned, a few bits that need to be weeded out, but minute things. I start to get these stranglers which are doing my head in, but I'm going to be on the case of them just to minimize the amount of work that I have to do in my garden and focus on what is happening right now. I'm going to start off here with a beautiful lemon, Japanese lemon that I have. I'm going to show you that right now, which is coming back to life, and we go forward from there. So look at it, guys. Look, it is starting to open up because it is spring. It's starting to give life back into the plant because I've up-potted. I will say it should do well. It is coming to life. I might have to do some tender loving care with it. I've noticed there's some sort of like scales disease on it. These little pestilence. I'm gonna clean them up, give them some nutrients, and send them on his good way. To hopefully, by maybe next year, by the grace of God, I might have some lemons, bitter lemons. That is, this is a Japanese bitter lemon that does handle every form of weather you throw at it. And look at these scales, like they're horrible. Yeah, I'm gonna take care of you. Don't worry. But moving on, for the first time in a very long time, my pomegranate is awake. Look at the beautiful leaves. Normally this one, I think last year, it awoke from its deep slumber in about June. And look at it right now. It's here to start to do what it needs to do. And yes, I am so proud of it. Thank you, Mr. Pomegranate. Miss Pomegranate. Mr. What the hell? It's not Mr. around here. There's Miss Pomegranate. Only women produce fruit. Strawberries are hanging in there, looking great. Lemon balm is starting to do this lemony thing. My oregano that needs a tender loving care. It needs a trim. So I'm going to give that some love and attention to that. And I'm going to add some more herbs. I heard a few people said in the chat that I need to add maybe a rosemary. So I'm going to be looking for a tiny little rosemary to stick it in there and get it going. So yeah, everything is my garden just still showing me. Now look at this. Beautiful, 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 beautiful mint. Look at that. Minty fresh. Minty fresh. And potatoes. And something else in there. The parsnips. Coming back to life. Isn't that beautiful? Even though I have been away, not watered it, my garden is still green. The only disastrous thing is that my broccoli is going to flowers. Look at him. But before I go in depth over there, let me show you the transplants that I did for my gooseberry. Look at that. Goosey Woosey is fully loaded. Look at this. And this variety, I have no idea what variety it is. It came with the allotment, and I've not really been paying much attention to it. Last year it gave me one, but it looks like it's going to give me plenty. And I transplant one of their little babies from there, and I planted it here. Look at that. Isn't it this beautiful, with the strawberries on the sides and raspberry right here coming out with a bang. Raspberry, gooseberry, strawberry, gooseberry, raspberry, gooseberry, and there's gonna be more. Look at that. It's popping up. Pop it up. I'm gonna have to do some really tender love and care in here to maintain it. And guys, I transplanted this one. You guys all saw me do that. And it's, what do you see? What do you see? I see strawberry, strawberry. What do you see? La, da, 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 da. Come on. That's a beauty. Moving on to the other aspects, we're going to get into those beds soon. But the tree that I pruned, my conference pear, fully loaded. I don't even need to say much. It's doing its own thing. My banana, my banana, has come back to life. Ain't no better than that. My persimmon is opening up, and I've got some stranglers which I do need to come through and dig out. You pestilence, you've got to go. I will deal with you soon, strangler. Some extra pots that I had at home, I brought them down here because I'm going to try to turn all of this into a fruity, peppery something. Moving on. Lovely. The blossoms of an apple tree. Or should I say the blossoms of my apple tree. It's beautiful. And I hope this year, because I've taken lots of care of it, and it's coming up lovely. Now this is how nature shows its love, by you taking care of the plants or trees, and it gives you fruit for you to eat. Look at these blossoms. Isn't it? It's delightful. Okay, that's that for that. You guys can see it. My 5-foot persimmon should be about 7 foot by the end of the year, I hope. Yes, sir. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at these. I'm hoping it might produce. It might not. I don't know. But it's going to get some growth. And I have been contemplating potting it later this year. Let's see. And I'm looking for a size like that. I might even use that pot. Who knows what the brain tells me to do. I will do what I see fit. But before I go, I had another disaster. I was really hoping, it would hang on, but it does look like it's there. This is my lemquat, it's got some green at the bottom here, but all the tops is dead. Listen, crack. So I'm not going to remove it. I'm going to leave it, and to see, I'm going to trim all of these bad bits off now and see if it comes back. It is a chance. There's a chance in here. There's some life in it. Let's see. Now let's go and show you. Let me show you the garden beds and how they are looking. This is kind of an update in a way, but to show you that even though I'm not here, my garden is doing whatever it feels like. And the dog needs to shut the hell up before I turn him into... Okay, I'm not gonna eat the dog. Come on, guys. It's just a joke. Just a joke. Yeah, I'm not gonna eat him. I love dogs. Just not that one. That one's a really annoying dog. Just doesn't have any friends, I think. It just likes me. or like to bite me, because every time I come down here, it just barks, like it's been malnutrition or something. I don't know. Anyway, back to what I was saying. My garden are looking beautiful. Look at that, guys. These, my spinach made it through winter. Normally it doesn't. It collapses and then kaput. But I have spinach. My garlic. Whoa. Garlic is looking good. There's a bit of weeding needs to be done in this specific one. I do need to top it up with a little bit of more compost that I need to obtain. But before I go any further, look at the size of this. That's a garlic. Garlic is looking beautiful. And they're holding in. But I do need some stranglers are in. These stranglers are really my nemesis in this allotment. That's the one, and actually there's a second nemesis. But I don't know if you guys can look closely. Have a look at that. I kind of want to tell you what they are. But just let them grow. Anyway, let me just tell you, since I'm here. Those are some carrot seeds that I sowed. And they're coming up. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Parsnips. I have parsnip for days. Parsnip. Let me see if I can see the white. Parsnip. I feel like pulling up one, but I'm not going to. Well, what I'm going to do this time is not let it go to seed and minimalize it, or maybe just one to go to seed and spread it everywhere where I feel like, and I have food. Madness gardening. But I'm going to remove this one here, this broccoli, after it's finished. I'm just going to let it go to seed, start to save some of the seeds for these sprouting broccolis, because they're expensive. Their seeds are expensive. My big jumbo broccoli, some of you have seen it. It's gone to seed, or it's going to seed. It's going to flower first. There's beautiful flowers in here, and then it's going to head to seed, and then I'm going to have to give him the chop. Look at that. Listen to this. It's lovely. Still good. Still very good. Very sweet. It's coming up nicely. Not been here. Done nothing to it for about a month. And there is still food around me. Look at that. Every bed. Green, hence my name. This is Mr. Green Hands. I hope you are gardening this year. It is 2025. Know where your food is coming from. Have an adventure. Growing the foods that you would like to consume. And it's better than whatever you go into the shop and buy, because you know how it was grown. Just a quick update, guys. Just here to give you guys a little tip and some inspiration that you could be doing the same thing I'm doing with a small piece of thing that you have, whether it's a windowsill, whether it's a little balcony, whether it's whatever. If you have the will to grow food and the capability, I think we all do, then why not? Food is amazing. Check it out. Let me show you before I say bye. Now this, look at that. I could show you more, but I don't want to give you everything. There's some plans I gotta deal with. Look at that. It's a beautiful spring. And I got things to catch up to do, seeds to replace, and weeds to remove. Boy, Mr. Green Hands, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, hit that thumbs up, comment, and please hit that subscribe button if you love what I'm doing, because it helps me to reach bigger and better places, or people that really, truly need my information or inspiration. See you guys next time. Please do not forget to take care of the planet. We just have to. It's our home. Come on, guys. See you guys next time.